Hello, my name is Shira Nelke, and today I've prepared 3 activities for the advanced literacy stage. My first activity is one that concentrates on studying and reviewing synonyms and antonyms and their continuum. It encourages students to think about the subtle differences between word meanings. I have prepared a pile of words, and the students are going to place them in the order from one extreme to another. So we have tiny, humongous, small, minuscule, large, big. So if I ask students to order these from the least extreme to the greatest extreme, they would have minuscule, then tiny, then small, big, large, and finally humongous. My next activity reviews Greek roots that are found within words. I have prepared a different bingo board for every single student with a free space in the middle. I will call out a Greek root, and the students have to generate their own word. A student that calls out bingo will have his or her board checked to see if they are a winner. For example, if I call out crit, the student is going to write on their board, perhaps, criticize. Then if I call out graph, they could think of, perhaps, autobiography. If I were to call out therm, they might write geothermal. If I were to call out meter, they might generate centimeter. Actually, now the student can call out bingo because they have gotten an entire row correct and figured out words that have these Greek roots within them. My last activity is adding the shun suffix to a word. This can be confusing even for students in the advanced stage because the shun can appear as T-I-O-N, I-O-N, S-I-O-N, or C-I-A-N. I'm going to announce a word, give each student a dry erase board, a dry erase marker, and I will ask the students to add the shun suffix to their word and raise their board so that I could check for accuracy as an assessment. For example, if I am to call out the word magic, the student will write magician and will raise it before the class, before the teacher. Then, if I am to call out subtract, they need to know to write subtract and just add the I-O-N, subtraction. And for one last example, if I ask translate, they will write translation and drop the E. I will do this for a variety of words. I may even ask students to think of words of their own and to play this type of game with a partner and take turns with each other. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned.